In today's video, I am going to teach you how to configure retry logic in Stripe. Start by making sure you are already signed into your Stripe dashboard and that you are working in the correct Stripe account. This is important if you manage more than one account, because failed payment settings apply only to the account you are currently viewing. From the dashboard, click the Settings gear icon. In the Settings menu, go to Product Settings and select Billing. Once you are in the Billing Settings area, open the section for subscriptions and emails, or the area that contains your failed payment and revenue recovery settings. Stripe may label this section a little differently depending on your account configuration, but you are looking for the failed payments settings. Next, find the section called Manage Failed Payments or Failed Payments. In this area, you will see the retry settings that control what Stripe does when a subscription payment or invoice payment fails. Click Manage or Edit next to the retry configuration to open those options. You can now choose the retry approach you want to use. If your account offers smart retries, you can select that option to let Stripe automatically attempt retries using its built-in logic. If Stripe also gives you a custom retry policy option, you can choose that instead if you want more control over the schedule. If you select Smart Retries, review the available settings and configure the maximum retry period or any retry options shown on the page. If you choose a custom retry policy, set the timing for when Stripe should try to charge the customer again after the original payment fails. Add any additional retry attempts you want, and define the spacing between each attempt based on your billing process. After that, look for the setting that controls what happens if all retry attempts fail. This is where you choose the final action for the subscription or invoice. Depending on how your Stripe billing setup is configured, your available choices may include leaving the subscription past due, canceling the subscription, or marking the related invoice as uncollectible. Take a moment to review the retry schedule and the final failed payment action shown on the page. Once everything looks correct, click Save to apply your new retry logic. Finally, confirm that the updated failed payment settings are now visible in your Stripe billing configuration. This tells you the changes have been saved successfully. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.